Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustanCho.com. I want to talk to you about getting a FHA loan with collections and late payments. Now, if you got a lot of late payments on your credit report, FHA is probably not going to approve you if there's a lot. And your score, let's say your scores are below 580, a bunch of late payments. If you have 10% down, FHA is pretty forgiving with all those lates. But above 580, when you want to do 3.5% down on a lot of lates, you got trouble. So what you have to do is you want to at least be 12 months clean. I'm not guaranteeing you anything. 12 months clean gets you into a house, but 12 months clean is very important for FHA. If your prior 12 months to those 12 months are really nasty with mortgage lates all over the place, you may not get approved with 12 months clean. So it depends what the prior 12 months are. So they really look at a 2-year window. I'm not saying they forget about the rest before 2 years, but the 2 years is the big snapshot that they look at. If you're clean in those 2 years, but you got a low credit score, I can promise you, if you have no lates, no collections in the last 2 years, I can get you an FHA manual underwrite. But you probably get approved eligible if that's your scenario. So keep that in mind. If you got lates in the last 12 months, it's gonna be a tough time, lots of lates. Now, you've got tons of good credit, and you get 2 little credit card 30-day lates in the last 12 months, you might get approved. So there's a lot of different combinations of what makes you get approved, what doesn't make you get approved. But try to be clean. Try to not pay your bills on time. If you're looking to get a mortgage in the near future, be good on the late payments. Get rid of them. Now, when it comes to collections, if you have good income, all we have to do is hit you for 5% of the collection. So if you got a collection for $10,000, I'm going to hit you for $500 hypothetical payment. You're not making a payment to anybody, and I put that against your debt to income ratios. If you still qualify, you're good. If that $500 payment takes you over ratio, I'm going to say either A, let's pay that collection off so you qualify with a $500 payment less. But if you don't have that much money, maybe I'll have to say let's pay off a credit card. Maybe that's how we get your debts down if you have large collections. So the collections themselves don't necessarily disqualify you, but we do have to hit you for a 5% late. Now, here's the good thing about us compared to most banks. Charge-offs, we don't hit you against charge-offs. If your collection's been charged off, you're good to go with us. So give me a call if you got any questions. 630-915-7550. Please subscribe. Thanks.